Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is July 14th, 2016, and today is Thursday. So it is Bastille Day for those that are celebrating it. Happy holidays to you. In terms of the economic calendar today, a few things going on. 1 p.m. South African time. We have big numbers coming out of the GBP. It's a bank rate decision. And monetary policy, so that is a major impact on the GBP. We'll take a look at that later today. And then at 2:30 p.m. South African time, we have a PPI number coming out of the United States, together with a weekly unemployment change this week. So looking at the markets, it's been quite a ride, okay, in many aspects. Let's look at the Euro USD. Euro USD was trading right back to this 110.50-ish level the other day, and now you can see that we're up in this upper range of 111. We're breaking this 111-ish level, and we're trading above that at 111.17. Now the thing is that it has to really break out even more. I'd like to see something above 139, 150 for it to be really something to say that it's going on a tear, maybe to 112-ish level. So there's a little bit of a resistance, 111.74. But as you can see, we're finally breaking this 111 area right here. The question is that whether or not we'll be able to sustain it. So the euro getting a little bit firmer, a little bit stronger against the dollar. Looking at the USD Japanese yen, the dollar getting stronger versus the yen here. As you can see, at 105, we hit a low of 100 just last week, and we're just ticking it off and taking it up even higher. So trading at 105.61. So this is a tremendous move for the USD versus the Japanese yen. So I'll take a look at this to see if it's going to continue, because we've had a tremendous slide, okay, from 122 from the winter all the way down to 100. Previously, the yen was trading at 70 versus the dollar, 77. So it's been on a roller coaster ride. So it has some volatility, it has some follow through. So I'd like to see some sort of maybe a change here, maybe get back to this 111 area as the dollar's firming up versus some of the other currencies. Looking at the Dow Jones, all-time highs. Okay, this has never been precedented this time of the year to hit all-time highs. I don't remember such a thing. So if you could see here, we had discussed this yesterday, where we were teasing this area. We were really teasing around 18,318-ish level, 331-ish level, and then finally we took it out. We're trading here at 18,381. Okay, all-time highs. So this is a major move for the Dow Jones. Where we could get up to, 18,900 and 19,000. For sure, okay, but the question is how quickly and how far we're going to continue going up here. And just as a historical fact, September, October, November are usually the most bearish historical times in the markets. You could look back to the beginning of the markets of the Dow Jones. So, this is still questionable whether or not this is sustainable on the long term, or we're just seeing some sort of, rally because we're having a presidential elections this coming year. So keep an eye on the Dow Jones. It is volatile. It is carrying through. It has some, some character, and it's trending upwards. So that's a great one to really be trading right now. Looking flip side on the gold, you could see that we were retracing to 1333. So yesterday we were trading at 1350-ish level, and we're just breaking down a little bit. So this is healthy. This is people taking their profits, booking their profits. I imagine we're going to hit down to 1,300 in just a matter of when and how quickly again. So, I mean, we've had a tremendous rally in the gold since December. As you can see here in January, we just took off from 1054-ish level of a low of 1054-ish level. We're trading at 1348. So, it is a tremendous rally, and it's to be expected to have this correction. I would imagine we could maybe even dip a little bit below 1,300, maybe even hit 1250-ish level as a retracement, because the Dow is very strong. The markets are very strong. So if there's continuation of some strength in the markets, I think the fears will subside. Brexit will actually be digested by the rest of the world, and things will go on as regular, as business as usual. So I got to keep an eye on this and see how this unfolds as well. Oil, not much going on, trading at 45.35, been in a tight range this week, between 44.20 and 46ish level. So we're right in the middle of that right now. So it's just been, it's been consolidating a little bit more this week. But you could see that it's still in a downwards momentum where it's making these lower highs, as we mentioned earlier this week, and these lower lows. So it looks like it's maybe forming a wedge formation right here. Okay, lower highs, higher lows, and it's going to either go up or go down. It looks like it's going to continue going down on my perspective. So maybe it'll hit 42ish 50. That would be my guess if it does break this 44.20 level. So keep an eye on this, how this unfolds during the week. So that's a call for today. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.